With HubSync's last mile automation functionality, the steps from finishing the return to your client's review and signature, it's just a simple integration. And having your clients review their tax return, e-sign it, and send back to the preparer for notification has never been easier or more convenient. As part of our last mile automation tool, with the single click of a button, the tax return was signed by client, is sent to the proper jurisdictions, sent back to HubSync Client Workspace, and updates the preparer to show this was completed, and the return was released. As part of this whole process, tasks and deliverables are also updated in the workflow tracking modules. And once the return is accepted, the preparer is alerted once again. It's really that easy. In record time, the CPA firm can send the final tax return, taxpayer reviews it, signs 8879. It gets sent to the proper authorities with integrations by HubSync. Looking to revolutionize that last mile of the tax return process? HubSync can help.